I'm just like on this marathon of shows and events.
All right, here we are. I'm recording. Cool.
All right.
Same thing. Remember what I said earlier, right?
Hell yeah. Okay, let's do it.
What's up, everybody? Freakshowking661 out in Rancho Cucamonga at UTI. Dream big, drive low with the lovely and amazing Georgia.
What's up, guys?
Georgia, you are amazing.
Oh, thank you. So nice of you.
If you guys don't know, you guys can go to Georgia's website, check out her merch, posters, shirts, hats, all that amazing stuff. Hopefully one day I can get Georgia to pose and we can make posters too.
Hell yeah, for sure.
That's thinking ahead. So,
In the future.
In the future.
For now,
I gotta practice my photography and hopefully we get there.
I think he's getting there.
Awesome. Hey Georgia, what is your build?
So my main car that everybody kind of knows me for is my 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass. I purchased it from my grandfather. He bought it brand new off the lot. So it has the name Biological because it came from my biological grandfather. It is a Euroclip Cutlass. It's a Brandywine paint and has a 2-pump 4-bat hydraulic setup in it. Full center wire wheels, all the chrome, all the fun stuff, all that good stuff. So yeah.
Who hooked up your suspension?
Okay, so my suspension was done by Hubbos. They're out in Riverside, California, and so we have a 2-pump whammy tank in it. It's all hard lined, and then it was installed by a guy named Drop Factory back up in Canada. I have 8-inch ramps in the front and 12-inch ramps in the rear.
Nice. I've seen it. It's awesome. I've seen the biological on the handles.
Yes, yeah.
That looks
Yeah.
cool. I was like, nice.
Yeah, so
nice.
it was engraved by Hernan. He has a company called Engrave It out here in California as well. My door handles, one says Queen Cuddy and then the other one says Biological, and they're 2-tone golden chrome, which is kind of cool. A lot of extra work went into those because they have to be all taped out to be done like that and whatnot, but yeah, nice little touches, right?
It looks good. I like it.
Yeah, thank you.
I don't know if you want to spill any tea about this, but do you have another build?
I do. I have another build. And you know what, it's funny because a lot of people ask about it all the time, and I try and give as many updates as I possibly can, but sometimes it's hard because just like everybody else, I mean, life happens, and I'm building on a budget. I have a 1989 Toyota pickup. It is body dropped. It's gonna have hydraulics. It is a full frame build, so custom chassis from front to rear, and yeah, it's gonna eventually be my baby as well. So to join the Cutlass, but it's been a bit of a long time build. I got the truck in 2020, and originally I was like, oh yeah, like let's slap it together and roll it. And then it turned into like, well, actually, it's snowballed and, you know, turned into a few more things. No, not at all. So that's going to be pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about it. I want to do it very much with a lot of like lowrider-esque type vibes to it, with the flakes and the paint, and then the interior on it is actually, I had, the Toyota seat was made into a miniature 1959 Impala seat, and I have an Impala dash for it, so I'm going to probably channel and chop a dash into the car as well. So it's going to have a little 59 Impala interior, and then, yeah, so very like lowrider style mixed with mini truck, not super old school, but not super new school either. It's just kind of, everyone keeps being like, oh, you should do this or do that, but I'm just kind of building it how I want it to be, you know?
And that's what we do. We build them for ourselves.
Exactly.
Well, I want to say thank you so much for taking the time to join us on No Custom Left Out.
Hell yeah.
I'm honored. I'm excited.
Thank you
so much. I've I've always wanted to meet you, and I finally have a few times. I seen her at a couple shows.
Heck yeah.
So you guys check her out. Stay tuned. No custom left out. Freakshowking661 with the lovely Georgia. We're out.
Peace. Thanks, man. Appreciate you.
Thank you. That's all.
Anytime. That was rad.
That works.
Hell yeah.